array objects. Byte array objects are a mutable counterpart to bytes objects. Class byte array source encoding errors. There is no dedicated literal syntax for byte array objects. Instead, they are always created by calling the constructor. Creating an empty instance byte array. Creating a zero filled instance with a given length byte array 10. From an iterable of integers byte array range 10 range 20. Copying existing binary data via the buffer protocol byte array b high. As byte array objects are mutable, they support the mutable sequence operations in addition to common bytes and byte array operations described in bytes and byte array operations. Also see byte array built-in. Since two hexadecimal digits correspond precisely to a single byte, hexadecimal numbers are commonly used format for describing binary data. Accordingly, the byte array type has an additional class method to read data in that format. Class method from hex string. This byte array class method returns byte array object decoding the given string object. The string must contain two hexadecimal digits per byte, with ASCII white space being ignored. Byte array from byte array from hex 2E F0 F1 F2. These are byte array. Print byte array. Change it in 3.7 byte array dot from hex. Now keeps all ASCII white space in the string, not just spaces. A reverse conversion function exists to transform a byte array object into its hexadecimal representation. Hex separator, bytes per separator. Return a string containing two hexadecimal digits from each byte in the instance. Byte array F0 F1 F2. Change it in version 3.8. Similar to bytes.hex, byte array.hex now supports optional sep and bytes per sep parameters to insert separators between bytes in the hex output. Since byte array objects are sequences of integers akin to a list, for a byte array object b0 will be an integer, while b01 will be a byte array object of length 1. This contrasts with text strings where both indexing and slicing will produce a string of length 1. The representation of byte array objects uses the bytes literal format byte array b, since it is often more useful than byte array 46 46 46. You can always convert a byte array object into a list of integers using list b.